Dear students, welcome to your PBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. You all know that we are studying English language, lesson 6, nouns, singular and plural. Today we will do some exercises in the book and then you will show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Dear students, start the work. Dear students, you all know that yesterday I have explained you the lesson 6 nouns, singular and plural. Today we will do exercises in the book only. So write down classwork. Put the date, that is 18/8/2021. Exercise A. Change the following singular nouns into plural nouns. Number 1. Bun. It will be buns. Festival, festivals. FESTIVALS. Third one, dish, dishes. DISHES. Fourth one, bunch, bunches. BUNCHES, bunches. Fifth one, box, boxes. BOXES, boxes. Sixth one, watch, watches. Seventh one, chair, chairs. CHAIRS. Now we will come to the second page. In this page, exercise B. Underline the nouns in the following sentences and write them in proper columns. Firstly, we will underline it, then we will write them in the proper column. Okay? I forgot the keys. It is a noun of my car in office. New apples were growing on the tree. We should brush our teeth daily. In India, cities are very crowded. The knives I brought from market were not sharp. The washerman washing clothes. Mother was cutting vegetables. Mother, vegetables. Today, Granny made idlis. These all are nouns. Now, we will put them in singular and plural noun. I forgot my keys. Keys. We are adding S in keys, so it will be keys. Car. Okay? Office. Apples. tree. Teeth. India. Cities. Knives. Market. Washerman. Clothes. Mother. Vegetables. Granny. Idlis. Write office over here. So here we have completed 2 exercises in the book only. Fill these 2 exercises in the book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the exercise A and B from lesson 6 singular and plural. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.